Come learn how to make nopal salad. As you can see, we will first be washing the nopals again just to make sure all the spines are removed. These nopals are from our farm and have been despined prior to being sold at our stand. Next, we will be cutting the nopals into smaller strips. We will add enough water to a pot or pan so it almost covers the nopal.
Add the nopals to the pot. We boil the nopals so they can release some of the slime they have.
Add a bit of salt.
Put on medium to high heat until they boil, which is usually around 8 to 10 minutes.
We'll also add in half an onion and 4 cloves of garlic to the nopals in the pot for more flavor. Save the other half of the onion to go into the salad. The garlic is also from our farm and available at the farmer's market. Add the minced garlic and onion to the pot.
Mix it in. It's boiling now and the nopals have turned a darker green color. Now drain the nopals. Set aside and let them cool down. Now prepare the rest of the produce, which are cilantro, tomatoes, and onion.
Here we are using 5 tomatoes, but your amount will depend on the amount of nopals prepared. Next, cut up a bunch of cilantro. This was also grown on our farm.
Now let's add all our ingredients to a bowl.
Now add the nopals. Mix it all up.
All done. You can also add queso fresco to top it off.